this is Ralph again from Boss Leather, and we wanted to show you another department, a valuable department of what we do. A lot of people don't understand that we can actually go from concept to reality on pretty well anything. Here we have a client who's looking for a chair that looks like this. Not part of our lineup, however, we've done our due diligence, got all the measurements together, prepared the frame. Just because we don't have it on our website doesn't mean we can't build it. So I just wanted to kind of point that out to everybody. Custom orders are what we do as well. If you saw something that you like that we don't have and you want us to make it, please give us a call. So let's start with this. We have our hardwood frame for this chair. We get it ordered specifically. We have Elvis in the office looking at all the dimensions, making sure that everything matches up as far as the skeleton is concerned. Skeleton is where all the strength comes from. Now from there, we have to figure out what kind of foam we're going to put on it. Are we going to put 1-inch foam, half-inch foam, 5-inch seat cushion, a back cushion with fiberfill, without fiberfill? All these details get worked out with myself and Nino. So Nino's been doing this for quite a while. I refer to him on most of what we have that's coming up new. We also have another pattern maker. His name is Angelo. He's working on another project over there. Not often do you have a company like ours have two pattern makers. We are always tasked with making special orders. So here we have a chair. We pre-spring everything, get everything ready. So everything is ready for the suspension part of it. Then what we do is we look at the photo, we decide whether the front panel will be cut into two pieces, one solid piece. Do we want an envelope finish? Do we want an arm that's upholstered by itself? All that stuff gets discussed, and whatever happens, we got to make sure we hit the target with the way we want it to end up looking. And sometimes that's easy, sometimes it's not, but trial and error, we always get it done. So that's what we do here. I mean, we can make you anything, whether it's a chair, whether it's a sofa, whether it's a sectional. We make it all with the top quality products. You can't make good product without good materials. We're going to probably talk a little bit to Nino himself, and we'll go from there.
I love it because you have the chance to use your skills. Whoever has a better idea how it's going to look, that it goes. It's not like the boss says it's got to be done this way and it's done that way. So it's an open concept all the time. When you become a pattern maker, it's not just, you just learn it. It takes a long time to make. It's not like 1 year, 2 years. Because first you got to know how to sew, you got to know how to upholster, and then you can know about doing patterns. You cannot go the other way around. Most of it is pride of what you do. You have to, because if you don't, then it's not going to be a finished product that people are going to like. So it's kind of your signature when you do something that is perfect, that is nice, and people are going to be happy to buy it, and you're going to be in their living room for a long time. So.